Hello arty people! Today I'm making another miniature scene using the kitchen worktop I made in a previous video. This time we're baking cookies. I'm going to start by making the cookie dough, which I'm doing using salt dough. For the recipe, check out my previous salt dough video, which I'll link below. I'm rolling out a small piece of salt dough, and then I'm using a pen lid to cut out some circles from the dough. I'm also going to flatten some salt dough directly onto the baking paper and use the pen lid again to imprint some circles, this time not going all the way through. Once the salt dough pieces have dried out in the oven, I'm going to paint them. They're already a pretty realistic cookie dough colour, so I'm just matching that colour. Now I'm going to make a metal cookie cutter. So I'm cutting a thin strip from a foil dish and then wrapping it around a pen so that it curves. Then I just need to dab a bit of glue on the end to hold the circle shape in place. Next, I'm going to make a rolling pin. I've got a wooden kebab skewer which I'm cutting a piece off using a craft knife. Then I'm using a piece of sandpaper to round the edges. Then I'm going to cut some notches in the rolling pin for added detail. Next, I'm going to make a bag of flour. I've cut a piece of paper from an actual flour packet and I'm folding it the same way you would if you were making a gift bag. To make the paper bag appear full of flour, I'm filling it with polyester stuffing. Then I can fold the bag closed. I'm also adding a handwritten label to the bag. And finally, I'm going to make a baking tray. I've got a piece of card which I'm going to round the corners of. Then I'm going to indent a border around the card to give the impression of a lip on the baking tray. Then I'm going to paint it using acrylic paint. I'm going for a realistic used look, so I'm adding grey and brown to the black. Now I can assemble the scene, starting by sprinkling some flour on the worktop. Let me know what other scenes I could make with this worktop, or maybe what room I should tackle next. Thanks for watching, bye!